So check it out. I'm working on this beat up Commodore Vanderbilt. It's in pretty rough shape, so I used it to put a 1666 motor with a smoke unit in it. And I also have some Coca-Cola tank cars that I've been working on. A friend of mine, Zoltan, sent me some vinyl stickers. They were also glow in the dark, so I thought that'd be a fun project, and to paint this engine to match them. I intend to have 9 total, so I have 9 cars. Some of them are not going to be part of this, but just put them on there so I could see how it would run with a 9. So we'll check it out. We'll see how the smoke unit works, and you can check out the Coca-Cola stickers. So here we go. It's got a pretty decent smoke unit. Okay, the smoke unit works really good. The vinyl stickers are quite easy to apply, and they look good. They don't have to be clear coated. So we'll keep working on this project. I'll keep giving you updates, and thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.